Welcome to this episode of DL Outdoors. In this video, we're going to be testing some stuff out. You sit looking at a target right now, and up there at the top is 32 pieces of cardboard. The middle is 16 pieces of a car seat belt, so which would equal up to 16 pieces or 16 seat belts. And the bottom is a big ball of tape. We're going to be shooting it to see if it can stop an arrow out of the Barnett and Jackal crossbow, a bolt, not arrow, sorry. Let's go ahead and get some scenarios up here. So the 32, the third right here, the 32 things of cardboard, that's like, you ever been at a shit, like at a packing place, and all of a sudden, like, I don't know, we've all been through this, a bunch of like rabid rabbits just come out with crossbows and everything. What you gonna do? You gonna get you some cardboard boxes and put them up. So let's see if 32 cardboard boxes would stop a bolt, because they come in and hunt through the doors. You know what I mean? They're like running and everything. Whoa, looks like it stopped right there. Man. Our next scenario is we're going down through the car, or not. See, yeah, you driving down the road, all of a sudden, you at the beach, Myrtle Beach. Y'all people that live in South Carolina, all of a sudden, rabid seagulls come over here. You know, they got crossbows. They coming in hot like B-52 bombers. Let me tell you what you gonna do? We gotta get some seat belts. You know what I mean? That's what we gotta do. We gotta get some seat belts. So let's see if the seat belts can take care of it. They coming in hot. Good God, we missed that one. All right. The next one, we'll shoot that again here in a minute. So look, you gotta hurry up. You just went from a packing place with rabbits, with crossbows on the beach in the car, with seagulls with crossbows. They coming in hot like the Japanese did, you know. This one ain't got a point on it. Oh well. Oh, hold it real quick. So we got us a tape ball down there. You know what's going on? You were at this, I don't know. Let's see. What is that? Y'all come up with something, like riding down the road, and it was at the tape factory museum. You get there and a bunch of people that like a glue come up there. All the people from the glue company comes up there, crossbows and everything. We got to say your tape's better. You know what I mean? So you got to get out there. They coming up hot with crossbows. Good God! Look. Now let's see if glue can stop that. Tape can stop a crossbow bolt, can't it? Huh? Yeah, look. Let's look at this stuff real quick, man. Here. If you use cardboard, you would not be safe. Do not suggest using this to stop. That's a 4 inches that went inside of you. So the rabid rabbits, they probably won that. This right here, we'll shoot again. The ball, you probably would have stayed safe if it hit the middle, but since they came out, hit the side, you're not that safe. But less penetration, maybe if it was, I don't know, it wouldn't have got much. You'd be bleeding and hurting. But let's get this right here out. Good God almighty. Let me tell you what. Oh, man. Pull it out. We'll go down here and we'll try to shoot these seat belts so them seagulls don't get us. You know what I mean? Can't be getting killed by no seagulls. What's up with that? You know what I'm talking about? You're gonna have to be finding some armadillos. Get the shell out of them. Y'all know what I mean there? You know what I mean. Good God. seagulls, they're coming in quick, you know what I mean? That keeps going to the side, man. Screw it, we'll shoot one with no point at it. I don't care. We gotta hit this sucker, though. Seagulls, man, they coming in quick. Imagine that on the news. That guy dies from seagulls with crossbow. They came in hot, his wife said. Good God. Where'd that one go, man? Good God, we gotta hit this sucker. Jordan, what are you doing? Oh, Lord. Never missed so much in my life, man. This is embarrassing. Although I am shooting at something that's 2 inches. Oh. Good God. It'd help if I stopped, but oh well. Y'all died from them seagulls, I'm sorry. Ain't much I can do about it, but I don't know. Hold on. We can pull this up again. This thing's hard to pull up though. Oh well, we ain't doing it. I don't feel like getting the ball. So, you'd be safe from the, I don't know, what'd I say? The glue hater? I don't know. I don't even know anymore. Well, there you go. It'll stop at something. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching this episode of The Outdoors. I'll see you on the next. Oh, and go check out the Barnett Jackal crossbows. They're pretty good.